Okay? Extraordinary therapies. The extraordinary therapies used with needling are very much part of acupuncture. Moxibustion. The Chinese terms for acupuncture is Jianzhu. Yan means needle and Zhu means burning. Moxibustion forms 50% of acupuncture treatment. And although we live in an age where we could use infrared light and hot packs to warm pain areas, and we enjoy much better central heating system than in ancient China, moxa still has a place in acupuncture therapy and one that has no parallel in Occidental medicine. Okay. Artemisia vulgaris is the main herb used in moxibustion. The leaves are dried in the sun for several days and crushed at the end of each day. The end product, moxa wool, can be used in many ways. The main purpose of this treatment is to warm an area, meridian, or organ, remove stagnation and blocks due to cold and damp, and restore energy flow. There is a great need for moxibustion in the cold and damp Western countries, especially in the winter months. Okay. Next po. In what ways can moxa be used? Direct moxibustion. In the past, this method was quite common. The therapist picks up a small amount of moxa in their fingers, about the size of a grain of rice or a bean, sticks it on the skin with some balm, and lights it with an incense stick so that it will burn slowly. It can be used for causing scars, which is called scarring moxibustion, which is used then to specialty treatment for seasonal asthma or hay fever sa mga may asthma. This method is not so popular nowadays, even in China. The other way of using moxa is to remove the moxa from the skin when it gets hot, which is called non-scarring moxibustion. This method is used when hitting a single point. One could use several cones per treatment. It is quite time-consuming and requires the therapist to stay near the patient for some time. Okay? Indirect moxibustion, ito naman yung very popular. It requires use of some material between the moxa and the skin. Freshly cut, thin slices of ginger or garlic, about an eighth of a centimeter, prick with a needle to make them porous, make an ideal conducting agent, as ginger and garlic are spices that stimulate the lung and the skin. This greatly increases the effect of moxibustion. Ginger moxa is by far the most commonly used. The ginger slices containing the moxa wool are lit in several spots, can be placed on bakshu points or on the dew meridian and moved to another point when one area gets too hot. Okay, yan po yung drawing. Okay? Indirect moxa is used sa when there is cold diseases in the organs, usually sa bakshu points. On local areas in cold or damp skin disorders katulad ng warts and vitiligo. Sa dew meridian moxa naman, snake moxa para sa cold sa whole body or when back is weak or in kyphosis. Okay.